Hello guys, how's it going? Alex Rampion here. Hope you're well. Today we got a quick job on the Fiat Doblo van. The headlight bulb is not working. We're going to replace it. So I'm going to show you quickly how to do that. Obviously which one you're replacing depends. In my case, it's the outer one. So you're going to need to take this cover off. And the bulb is the outer one, so we're going to replace that. It's just normal headlight bulb that comes on automatically. So you just have to pull the plug out first, and it comes out with the plug, as you can see here. Notice which way it come out, because you got the cut out there, how it locates in the holder, because it only goes in one way basically. So I recommend using gloves when you're replacing the bulbs, because if you touch the bulb, the glass on the new one anyway, with your hand, the oils from your hand can damage the bulb. As you can see, this one's gone, the contact is broken. So the bulb you're going to need for this is the LLB 477. I can put the link in the description below for you. As you can see, it comes with the protective cover to avoid touching it. So what we need to do now is plug that back in. Obviously I would recommend testing it at this point. Make sure you put it in there properly, and you'll feel it clipping in. As you can see, that's clipped in, it's sitting flat in there, and that's what you want. Put the cover back on. Make sure the cover goes on nice and even on there, so you don't get any humidity in the headlight. Obviously at this point, just turn the ignition on and see if the headlight is working. Probably need a key to turn the ignition on. There we are, that's all good. So that's working now. Perfect. Lovely. And that's pretty much it, guys. As easy as that. Hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Link will be in the description below. Have a good day. Bye.